To sharpen your jawline in your photo on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Gallery app. Open the required photo. Tap the pencil icon at the bottom of the screen to go to the edit photo screen. Tap the 4-dot icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap face effect. Tap jawline icon. To sharpen your jawline in your photo, drag the adjustment bar below the jawline icon to the left. The higher the level, the sharper your jawline will become. If you are happy with the result, tap done button and then tap save to save the change. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.